Oh, how
and
nice.
yeah, we can sit here and have a civilized conversation.
Oh, all right.
So,
So,
how's it going?
what have you been up to? How are you doing?
I'm doing just fine, mate. How are you doing?
Pretty good. How are the kids?
Oh wait, oh yeah, they're doing just. How did you know I had kids? Are you? Are you? Are you the mother? Oh yeah.
Mm.
This is
Oh,
this is quack bag. Um, this is what happens when you're trying to escape. I mean, I kind of congratulate you for for trying to escape because you're pretty smart. But like, this is what happens to smart people. This is what happens when you try to be smart. This is what happens. You get hung. You get hung from the ceiling, and no one appreciates you. And everyone's gonna watch past. Just gonna look at you when they watch past, and they're gonna think, "What a fucking idiot you are." You understand?
oh my god.
So, what do you think?
That was really good.
Awesome. I hope it becomes a huge success and
Me
I
too.
can go to Hollywood.
Hmm.
Anyway, so moving on. So if you come upstairs, yeah, this is
Oh,
it's what I like to.
wow. Is cake your favorite item? So who's this?
And if you come over here, you'll see that I am representing the wheat cult with some wheat.
Yeah, this is
I mean, I already did
mandatory
with.
wheat farm. But I mean, yeah,
Oh,
we
oh,
all
of
need
course I
it.
can. Yeah. So if you come this way, if you look to our left, you will see some wheat. If you
Oh,
look
nice.
to our right, you'll see some more wheat.
Oh, whoa.
If you look to this little patch over here, you'll see some wheat. And if you did
Oh,
not
wow.
know, this farm also contains wheat right here.
My mind has been expanded.
I know. And if you go over here, guess what else you can see with your very own eyes?
Sand?
No, wood. So you see how
Oh,
like
okay, right.
the whole thing is made out of wood. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I think that kind of concludes everything, really. So, yeah, What are you doing?
What is this?
No, that is nothing. You don't have to go down there. You have a choice.
What is this?
You didn't have to come down here.
Is that
You
a
didn't.
penceless Shrek?
No, no. Yes, yes, it is. I mean, if you don't like him without pants, I can always put them on. It's not.
Why
It's
was
not
he
a big issue.
pantsless?
Because me and Shrek, we like to experiment. Time to time, we tend to like just play around. Just explore as you will. Look. If you come over here, look, there's even donkey for you. You can
Why is he
even.
caged?
Well, I mean, like he might escape if I let him go free. You know how donkeys are, right?
Oh, yeah,
Just
alright.
like but look, hey, I'll make you feel even more comfortable, right? Okay. So look.
Okay.
If you
Oh,
ever
no.
so need to ever want to, you can dress
Oh.
up, and we can reenact some scenes from Shrek. Here's a good one.
Oh,
Ready?
alright.
Or donkey, what are you doing in my swamp? You're fucking goon. Like we can role
I don't
play.
remember that. I don't remember that exact line.
Oh,
from the movie.
donkey, that'll do, donkey, that'll do. Now take off your trousers. Shrek.
I don't
Oh
remember that
yeah.
line.
Here we go. Look, you can even dress up too. I'll let you dress up. Here you go.
Oh.
You don't have to be alone. Here you go, friend. Stay with me forever.
I'm getting out of here.
Where are you going, friend? Don't you want to role play with Shrek?
No, I'm good.
We all roleplay as Shrek down here, MD. We all roleplay as Shrek. By the way, did you want some tea?
Oh yeah, sure.
Hey, okay, here you go.
Oh sweet.
Here's some cake as well.
Oh no. Is that
And
everything?
here's a lead for when you get kinky.
Oh my god.
Mwah.
Is that everything?
Anyway, yeah,